Hello, my name is Nolan Engelbrecht and I'm here at the MarineMax in Osage Beach. Today we're with the 2018 Harris 240 Solstice. This Solstice has the nice black and tan exterior finish along with a black iodized railing. It also has the 3-tune package. This Harris is equipped with the 250 Verado Mercury engine. So here on the back of the 240 Solstice, it has the tow bar for all your water sport needs, tubing, skiing, wakeboarding. It also has a second radio control with 2 speakers in back. And then a huge storage here in the back underneath the sun pad for all your life jackets, fenders, ropes. The 240 Solstice also has the bimini top with this huge lounger in the back with adjustable backrest, so we can go front and back. Here in the cockpit of the 240 Solstice, we have a L-shaped lounger with storage underneath all the seatings. Storage there. And there as well. And here on the helm, it has a digital dash, Simrad dash, also with the gauges, and it has the Polk radio for the stereo system for all your music needs. Captain's chair also swivels back and forth, so if you need to talk and chat with everybody else. And here in the cockpit, it has a changing room for all your changing needs. And here at the front of the boat, it has the frontward facing lounger chairs with storage underneath these seatings as well, with the speakers and the subwoofer. Once again, my name is Nolan Engelbrecht. I'm here at MarineMax. My number is 573-619-3070. Thanks.